This here is our camping toilet. This is what we will be using in our outhouse. Our outhouse, shower curtain, 2 walls, and a roof. So to take our outhouse down, we'll take the shower curtain out of the top, roll it up. We have a dowel rod on the top and a dowel rod on the bottom to weight it down. It's just a standard single stall shower curtain. And we raise the roof, fold it in one side, fold it in the other side, and the roof lowers. And then we attach it with a ratchet strap on the sides. We have a pallet on the bottom so that we can shower in there to raise up the toilet a little bit, so there's nobody seeing nobody's boo-boo or nothing like that. But it rides right on the side of our house.